This is the Volkswagen VW Beetle, the new custom handbook, the cow look, retro cow, German look, buggies, the Baja Roadsters, replicas, and tuning by Keith Zumum. I bought this book from the J.C. Whitney book, auto book. Bought it years ago. I don't know what year I bought it. I don't know if I can upload it to YouTube. Probably might be copyrighted. Just show what people did to their cars. A lot of these Volkswagens I don't like how they customize theirs. There's only I think 2 of them. There's a gray one and a blue one, but it's like page 91 and 92 or something like that. Most of these cars are ugly. Like those things I don't like. The Roadster thing or the buggy, that one I don't like. None of these I don't like any of them. I don't like this. I don't like what they do to them. The people's favorite, that's a lie. The engine. I don't know if they still make this book, but I haven't seen it on YouTube, so that's why I'm uploading it. For people to watch. It's entertainment. You can see what people... It's gonna be a long video, though. This one I don't like. I see someone driving something like this, but I don't like it, though. No, I'm just gonna really care about the rusted stuff. Because they rust so easily. That's why I should bring them back and make them all electric or powered by solar. So this way you don't have to recharge them. You got unlimited range while the sun's out. Then put batteries in it just to store the extra energy. So you can drive it when the sun's not out. But you need stronger solar, like 50% efficient solar, which I know how to make 100% solar panels. Because Tesla's working on one. He already added the solar panel to the Cybertruck. I like the 1963 Volkswagen and 1964 that are basically the same. The one from Herbie Love Bug, the Herbie Goes Bananas, and I think Herbie Goes Monte Carlo. I'm not sure. That one's okay. This one's ugly, the blue one. I hate that ear, the hood, the trunk, whatever. I'm not going to show all the reading about what they did, whatever. Showing mainly the pictures. I'm trying to get these little details so people can read that. These ones are, I guess, no paint on them. It's a Volkswagen custom shell, I think. Yeah, that one looks cool. But not with the rims off. Well, except for the stupid suicide door things. I don't like that stuff. Doors open up that way. I don't like these cars, these little doom buggies. Don't like that one either, it's ugly, stupid. Damn, it's already 6 minutes of video. Like a 10-minute video. So like 40 more pages to go. The California look. I don't like that one. I don't like that one. The white one. Probably like a 10-minute video, maybe 11. I don't like any of these. And then the same car again, the white one. I don't know how to drive stick, so I have to get one to make it automatic. They never made automatic in Volkswagens for these Beatles, except for the newer ones. Not the first ones. The one that came out in 2005, I think it was. The reason why I got into Volkswagens because of Herbie the movie. Now I like the newer ones, the electric ones. They look better, but they need better range. The ID Buzz and the Mini Bus. I don't really care about the engines. They need to increase the range for these cars. The Rich SoCal. It's already at 8 minutes. Jesus Christ, 9 minutes. Probably 11-minute video. Maybe 12. Don't like any of these Volkswagens either. I'm getting there. Page 58. 59. I don't like that one either. The green one looks okay. These are ugly. Ugly. Video is gonna be long. Might have to do part 2. Too many pages left. think I'm gonna do part 2. German look. This is more like the Porsche look, because Porsche already built them, designed them, and all that stuff. There's a documentary on YouTube, you can watch it free, on Volkswagen. Like 2 of them, I think. I might be able to do this in 15 minutes. I'm already at 11. Don't like that kind. The Porsche look I don't like. I don't like that. The front hood. The steering wheel looks cool. Pedals. Don't like any of them. Don't like that. The green one. Any of them. That's why I can't buy them, because they're stick shift. I need them to be automatic. Don't like that one. Inside, custom. The other one's coming up. That one's the one I like. That where rims are. But it's on like page 91 or 90. Yeah, this is the one I like. That's the blue one. That one looks cool. It's really cool blue. Look at the car. That one I don't like. I don't care about the engine stuff. Almost there. This one's ugly. I don't like the roadster ones. These ones I don't like. Might be able to do this in one video. Page 90, I think the other car I like is on 91 or something, 92. Nope. 13 minutes, maybe I can do it 15 minutes. Hopefully I'll be the first one with this on YouTube, because I haven't seen it on YouTube, this book. Don't like that hood either. That's the Baja stuff. This one's cool. There's other pictures. Looks way better on the next page, I think it is. No. And this chapter. That's a Porsche. Don't like that one. Off-roading one. Here we go, this one. It's a convertible, looks cool. I can show you a much better picture. It's coming up. This one's ugly. It's all like German look and all that stuff. Replicas. Almost there, almost there. That looks horrible. improving the breed. Just the engine. So just trying to show you the pictures, what the cars look like, what they design. 15 minutes. Like something in the video, just pause it and you can see it then, read it then. And this is all the list of the manufacturers. You just pause it if you're looking for something. These are all our phone numbers and all that stuff. You can call our phone numbers, whatever you want, get parts. And that's the book. They might still make the books, I don't know. MBI Publishing Company. Call this company here. Probably get a copy of the book. There you go, that's the